Do you prefer using Facebook to log into apps? Here's how to log into Tidio using a Facebook account for quicker access. Let's get right into the video. Head to tidio.com/panel/login. On this page, you'll see an option to continue with Facebook or log in with Facebook. Click on it. A Facebook login window will pop up asking you to log into a Facebook account if you aren't already. Click on Continue with Facebook. Authorize the permissions requested by Tidio. Usually basic profile information. This step ensures secure access to your Tidio account. And there we go. You're now logged in into Tidio using a Facebook account. Easy and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.